Welcome. Today, we're excited to share with you the updated process of reacting to a message on Instagram. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Locate the Instagram app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to launch the app. Next, navigate to direct messages by tapping on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the Instagram interface. This will take you to your inbox where you can access your conversations. Now, choose the conversation you wish to view by selecting it from the list of your ongoing chats. Once you've entered the conversation, you'll be able to see the messages exchanged between you and the other user. Tap on a specific message that you've received within the conversation. This will allow you to focus on that message and prepare to react to it. To react with an emoji, simply tap on an emoji from the available options displayed on the screen. Your chosen emoji reaction will then be sent to the sender, allowing you to express your feelings or thoughts in a quick and fun way. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily react to messages on Instagram using emojis to engage with your friends and followers in a more interactive manner. Enhance your conversations and make them more expressive with emoji reactions on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and happy reacting on Instagram.